President Trump remains at Walter Reed Medical Center this morning fighting COVID-19. The White House physician saying he is, quote, cautiously optimistic about the president's health, but adding he is not out of the woods yet. Meanwhile, a growing number of the president's aides have also tested positive. Elizabeth Schultze is in Washington with the very latest.
After a day of mixed messages on his health, President Trump spoke directly to the American people from the hospital in a video posted on Twitter last night.
I came here, wasn't feeling so well. You don't know over the next period of a few days. I guess that's the real test. So we'll be seeing what happens over those next couple of days.
A senior White House official told reporters yesterday the next 48 hours will be critical for the president as he battles COVID-19. Calling into question what the president's physician said earlier in the day.
This morning, the president is doing very well. The president's been fever-free for over 24 hours. We remain cautiously optimistic, but he's doing great.
The White House physician repeating in a memo last night the team is cautiously optimistic on the president's health, but adding he's not yet out of the woods. The physician declining to say if the president had ever received supplemental oxygen.
Has he ever been on supplemental oxygen?
Right now, he is not on oxygen.
But sources telling ABC News President Trump did receive supplemental oxygen on Friday at the White House when he was having trouble breathing.
We were real concerned with that. He had a fever and his blood oxygen level had dropped rapidly.
Amid the confusion over the president's condition, a growing number of people in his orbit now testing positive for the virus. The president's personal assistant and body man Nick Luna among them, seen here boarding Air Force One without a mask next to top aide Hope Hicks Wednesday. Former New Jersey governor and ABC News contributor Chris Christie also testing positive. Tweeting last night he checked himself into a hospital as a precautionary measure and is experiencing mild symptoms. He's one of at least 8 people infected with the virus who attended a ceremony for Supreme Court nominee Amy Coney Barrett last Saturday. Few were wearing masks at the crowded event. On the campaign trail Saturday, former Vice President Joe Biden reiterating the importance of masks, but not attacking the president directly.
I don't want to be attacking the president and the first lady now, and Jill and I pray for their quick and full recovery.
The Biden campaign will be moving forward with in-person events. The campaign says the former vice president will be tested regularly for coronavirus and will release all of his results. Elizabeth Schulze, ABC News, Washington.